Morning, been drilling again. There's a 20 hole rock and there's a 14 hole rock. They're going to go together in a minute, fired with det cord, and that's going to make a really nice bang. 2 rocks, 34 holes with det cord. Cheers. That looks pretty successful. Typical det cord shot, nice big blocky pieces. Wonderful. Good work, Greg.